Baba Ogbe is a palm tree of life. Come sit on the mat and get your life right. Embodiment of wisdom and truth. In your light, we find our roots.
Destiny does not require permission, only movement. Olóngbò Jígọ left Ife in search of fortune. Days born beneath the sun, night disappeared beneath cold stars. She traveled with merchants, camel riders, and strangers swallowed by the dust of the northern roads. But hope kept her moving. Ní ilẹ̀ Hausa, she found a city alive with trade, music, and ambition. But she possessed no craft, no trade, only longing. Then one afternoon, she heard a flute. A young boy sat at the market playing melodies that gathered crowd without effort. And Olóngbò thought, if his lips can gather people, my hips can keep them there. Báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe gbìmọ̀. The flute called the people. Olóngbò captivated them with movement. Commoners applauded her. Merchants rewarded her. Noblemen invited her into their courts. Night after night, wealth replaced suffering, and for the first time, life answered her ambition.